Hi guys, it's Mrs.Z. Mrs.Z. Today is January 25th, and I'm working on exit ticket mission for lesson 10. Says rewrite these expression using words because you have to start um, with it's very important that you have parentheses. You notice that, and then you also have a subtraction there, and then you have multiplication. When you have fractions involved, multiplication is called of, because you need to have 3/4 of this whole number that is in parentheses when you solve it. So how we can see that as so we're going to start with the 3/4. 3/4 of. So now we just did this. 3/4 of. And now we need to see how we're going to say this, what is in parentheses. We can say in different ways. We can say 2 wholes and 2/5 um, minus 5/6. We can say 2 wholes and 2/5 less than 5/6, or we can say difference between 2 and 2/5 and 5/6. So let's do that. 3/4 of difference of 2 wholes and 2/5. 2 wholes and 2/5 and 5/6. 5/6. How we can say this one? We can say sum because there is a sum, or we can say 2 1/4 increased by 8/3. Let's do that. 2 wholes and 1/4 increased by 8/3. 8/3. I hope you can see this. My pink marker is kind of not okay. Now this was 2A and B, and then there is also number 2, write expression and then solve. It says here 3 less than 1/4 of product of 8/3 and 9. So it looks like 3 less than 1/4 of product of 8/3 and 9. So I will start with this. 3 less than product of. So when we have product of, that means it's going to be included multiplication. Of means multiplication. And then 8/3 and 9, it has have addition, and means plus. So product of 8/3 and plus is and 9. But mostly when you have that, it has to come in parentheses. Okay, and 3 less means minus. So 1/4. So let's go back. 3 less than 1/4 of product is 1/4 of the product of 8/3 and 9. I think I messed up with that because it could also be 3 less than 1/4 of product of 8/3 and 9. That's also 39, 1/4 of the product of. Off and off, that's kind of like tricky. So it could be actually to this and that. I don't know exactly. 3 less than 1/4. 3 less than 1/4 of product of 8/3 and 9, or it could be that 3 less of 1/4 of product of 8/3 and 9. Because English my second language, I could think about this to be two possibilities of, so I can try to solve them both and see how it goes. Okay, so the first order operation we have to do what is in parentheses. So if we have 8/3 and whole 9, this makes 2 wholes and 2/3. That is 8/3, and plus 9. That will give me. I will have 1/4 times. This becomes 2 wholes and 9 makes 11 wholes and 2/3, and then minus 3. Okay, now I have multiplication here, which is older operation, so I have to do that first. So 1/4 times 11 and 2/3 minus 3. So let's see how Mrs.Z gonna do that. I have options to change the 11. 11 times 3 is 33, plus 2 makes 35/3. So 1/4 times 35/3, and then minus 3. Now let's see what that gonna happen. 4 and 3 are not same, so I'm gonna make them same size fractions by multiplying by 3 and by 4 here. So that would be 3/12 plus, oh, I messed up. It's not addition, it's multiplication. Oh my God, that's so bad. Okay, 1 times 35 is 35. I guess. So that is 35, and 4 times 3 is 12. 35/12 minus 3. So now 35/12, 12 plus 12 is 24, and plus 12 is 36. So I don't have 3 12s. I have 2 holes here, and 12. Uh, hold on, 35 12s. So I have 24 35 minus 24. That would be 11 twelfths minus 3. So this is not possible because this is 5th grade. And finally, I figured it out that this solution is not correct because I got negative number 2 holes minus 3 holes. In a 5th grade, we did not learn yet that, and so plausibly that my second choice could be the solution of this 3 less than 1/4 of the product of 8 thirds and 9. So I'm going to do the first this. I'm going to simplify here 1 and 3. So that becomes 3 times 8 is 24. So it will be 1/4 times 24, and then minus 3. So 24 times 1/4 is 24 divided by 4 minus 3. And then 24 divided by 4 is 6. 6 minus 3 equals 3. And that is solution for this problem. So I find that when I try, if you are ELA student, you can try versions and see if that is not making sense. Then you will find which one is making sense, and this one is the one that we should stick with. It means 3 less than 1/4 of product between 8 thirds and 9. Okay, that was Mrs.Z exit ticket mission 4 lesson 10. Thank you. As you can see, I'm not ashamed of my mistakes because you're learning through mistakes, and you can always find solution that works better. But in the process, you learn from your mistakes. Bye. Love, Mrs.Z. Have a beautiful night.